Hey, welcome to the Iowa State Fair 2025. I am here at the historic and beautiful DNR Building. There's so many things to explore. Come on, let's take a look. We have this wonderful new display this year that features Pilot Knob State Park and everyone's favorite, Maquoketa Caves. This is the place to be. And always at the Iowa State Fair, the historic, beautiful 99-year-old aquarium building. It has examples of all of Iowa's most prized and revered game fish species that you can come and observe up close and firsthand. And of course, we've got the beautiful outdoor courtyard with ducks and turtles and waterfowl. We have an indoor shooting range where you can safely try archery and other shooting sports. We also have an outdoor stage where DNR and guest experts will give you personal tips on camping, fishing, all things outdoors. Last year's installed rain garden has really blossomed this year. Native prairie plants with deep roots that sustain a whole bunch of bees and pollinators. It captures the rainwater from the DNR building here at the fair. It's channeled underground. Those deep roots allow that water to percolate into the soil. And out here in the courtyard, under the cool shade of these sycamore trees, benches to sit and relax and watch Iowa native turtles and ducks. So come relax, learn about nature, hang out here with us, and you can learn more, all of the presentations and more details, iowadnr.gov/statefair. So come join us.